Hi, it's Christina. In this video, we'll look at 5 potential reasons why your hairpiece feels itchy and how you can fix it. A general perception is that hairpieces are naturally itchy because they are foreign objects applied to your scalp. This, however, isn't true. Toupees or hair systems can be slept in and can last months depending on the base. However, it is important to regularly maintain and wash them. We recommend at least once a week. Regular maintenance not only keeps the hairpiece clean and helps prevent itchiness, but also allows your scalp a chance to breathe. It is also possible that pre-existing skin conditions are contributing to an itchy scalp. Dandruff and dermatitis can cause itchiness and flaky scalp. So if you have an itch and you're unable to scratch, an alternative is to use your finger and just tap the itchy spot. It'll cause less irritation to the system. Go to a dermatologist first and see if a hairpiece is suitable depending on your particular condition. This will allow you to know what type of installation is best for your scalp. Look into special shampoos designed to treat those skin conditions to help eradicate them, and consider wearing a scalp protector before applying the hairpiece. Many people like to color or bleach their natural hair and have it blended with the color of the hairpiece. However, this could also potentially cause itchiness. Consider coconut oil as a solution. Massage your scalp with it soon after you have finished coloring your natural hair. Leave the oil on your scalp for a few hours to help soothe your skin and relieve any remaining itchiness. The base material, the hair, or the way it's knotted can all be factors in whether your hairpiece is itchy. Hair systems are a long-term investment, so it's all the more important to invest money into a premium hairpiece. You can find tons of options for high-quality systems at our website at www.superhairpieces.com. One of the most common reasons why you may be experiencing itchiness is because your skin is simply allergic to your hairpiece or the adhesive that is used. This can be because of the type of hair. For example, certain properties of synthetic hair are known to cause allergies for some wearers. That is also why we highly recommend going with our hairpieces that uses 100% human hair with all solid colors. If you find that you're itching in the center of your head and you've only used tape or glue on the perimeter, the base material may be what's causing you problems. To be absolutely safe, it is recommended to always perform a patch test with any glue or tape you are using. Common places to test the adhesives are behind the ear or on your arm. There was a client that came in, he had irritations around the perimeter, and we used tape and liquid adhesive. So he came to us and we actually removed it. And we did a patch test, but we did it on his scalp actually. So what we did was we removed the liquid adhesive, because sometimes clients are just allergic to the liquid adhesive, like the glue. And we did a bunch of we put the system back on him, but we did different tapes around the perimeter and had some like spaces so it was more breathable. And then we told him if you notice an irritation, you would notice within 24 hours, right? So we took a picture of the before where the tapes were, and we told him to remove it within 24 hours, take a picture of his scalp to see where there was redness and if he was allergic or itchy in any other areas of his scalp. And if he was, then we would know what tape he was allergic to. And he said he was fine with all the tapes that were used on him. So we pretty much said that, it was the liquid adhesive that was causing him the irritation. In the end, if you find that your itchiness is extreme, the most important thing to do is to consult with your doctor. And that's it. I hope you find this information insightful and never struggle with an itchy scalp again. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Christina, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye!